Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Instagram series, I'm gonna show you that how you can delete your Instagram post from your computer. I've already made a video on this, but a lot of people were having some confusions in that video. So I'm here with the new video on this topic. So let's start our video. So first of all, you'll have to open your Instagram using instagram.com, and from there, go to your profile. Okay, so from here, let's say I want to delete this post from my Instagram. So I can't delete from this version. So Instagram doesn't allow me to delete this from my website version. So what I have to do is I'll have to click right here and click on inspect button. Okay, now from here I will have to change the appearance of my website. So you'll have to click here, toggle device toolbar, and now you'll get the options here. Like you can see that I'm getting options to change my appearance here: Galaxy S5, Pixel 2. I can select any of them from here. So I'll select Galaxy S5, then I'll refresh this page. Okay, now as you can see that I've got the option just like my mobile phone. I can upload any picture from here, and I can just click here, and now I can delete this post from my computer. So that's how you can delete your Instagram post from your computer without using mobile phone. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.